Hello guys, in today's video we are going to learn the different ways to save your file. Okay, so first of all, you go to the first method we are going to learn is saving it as a Photoshop file, and that is the most essential part of it all. So if you don't save it as a Photoshop file, and that means that's it, you can't get it back again. Alright, so first of all, anytime you create a design, even before you finish, make sure you save it. Alright, so maybe 5 minutes into designing or 10 minutes into designing, make sure you save your design. So you go to file, you see save, click on save. This pop-up comes, then you select either to save to cloud document or save on computer. Alright, so you click on don't show again, then you click on the save on your computer. So when you click on save on your computer, you can save this. Maybe I save it on my desktop as a birthday flyer. So let me call it one birthday flyer. So because we are going to be doing more, and you have this. So this pop-up comes, and then you select, make sure it is checked that you maximize compatibility, and then you check don't show again, then you click on OK. So it will save it, and then the next time that you come, go to your desktop, you should find this folder here, this Photoshop file here, and when I double click on it, it should open it in Photoshop for me. Okay, this is step one, the most important of how to save your file. The second part of it is saving it as an image that you can print. Okay, so you click on file, save as. Now you can click on this and then come and select as JPEG. Alright, click on JPEG. So this one is a normal image that you can share on social media or whatever, and you can also print. Alright, so you click on that and save, and then this pops up. You can select your maximum, you can select the quality to be 11 or 8. You can reduce it to 8, you can increase it to 11 or any number, and the maximum is 12. So I can keep it at 11, click on OK. Alright, so when I go to my desktop where I saved it, I should find it here. So here is the image, right? Here is the image. When I click on it, you should open up this image for me, right? Like this, okay? So now, there's also another way we save images for social media, like Twitter. You're saving for Instagram specifically. So you go to file, go to export, then you save for web, or you export as. Alright, you have export as or you save for web. So when you click on save for web, you get this. So you come to the this side, you see you have GIF. Click on GIF and you click JPEG. Okay, then on the high you can choose very high quality, and then you make sure that the converter sRGB is checked. This is going to use the monitor color, so that's what you see is what you get, and then you click on save. So when you click on save, the dialog box appears where you want to save it, and I want to save it on my desktop, so I'll click on save. So now when I go to my desktop where I saved it, I should have that image also here. So this image and this image are two different images, but though they are the same, but they are two different images. You realize that the one that we save for the web is having a smaller size. Okay, it's having a smaller size because the web needs smaller size so that it can load faster. Okay, so if you are saving an image for website or social media, you use the web, save for web, so that it can load very fast. Alright, it can load very fast. So it's the same thing here. You don't even experience that I've changed it to the old one. When I click here, I've changed it to the new one, so you don't even experience it. But when you save for web, it is very small, the size is smaller, and the quality too is maintained. Okay, so these are the ways that you can save this image. So thank you. In this video